Okay, so okay, so we have seen yesterday the two types of forest. It was tropical deciduous forest and tropical evergreen forest. Wait 2 minutes. Okay, so two types of forest: tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. Tropical evergreen forest में leaves trees से shed नहीं होती हैं, लेकिन evergreen deciduous forest में trees से leaves shed हो जाती है. That we have seen. And Shraddha was reading. Shraddha, continue. Temperate evergreen forest. Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Temperate evergreen forest. Temperate evergreen forests are mostly found in regions of North America, South Russia, Canada, South China, and Southeast Brazil. They are mostly found along the eastern coast of continents. Trees in temperature forest need to withstand poor quality of soil, cold weather, droughts, and cold oceanally fires. Hence, mostly hard trees are found here, including oak, pine, and
Electors.
eu-
Okay.
electus.
Okay. So temperate evergreen forest, where it is found? It is found in North America, South Russia, Canada, South China, and Southeast Brazil. Okay, they are mostly found in eastern coast of continents. Trees in temperate forest need to withstand poor quality of soil, cold weather, droughts, and also occasional fires. अब जो temperate evergreen forest होते हैं, वहां पे आप लोगों जो trees रहती हैं, उनको बहुत सारा ड्रॉट और बहुत सारा पुअर कंडीशन फेस करना पड़ता है. वहां उतना अच्छा क्लाइमेट वेदर नहीं होता. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव टू फेस अ बैड कंडीशंस. ओके, यस कबीर, स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yes, ma'am. Temperature deciduous forest. Temperature deciduous forests are found in the eastern part of USA, Canada, Central Mexico, Europe, West Asia, China, Japan, North and South Korea, and the parts of Russia. The tree found in the temperature deciduous forest lose their leaves every year. Thus, they protect themselves in the cold weather and also conserve water as they do not get a lot of rainfall all year round. Example of such trees are oak, maple, beech, and elm. Since these places are cold, humans who have settled around these forests use the tree for firewood. Hence, only about to 1/4 of the original deciduous forest now remain. Temperature deciduous forests are home to wide variety of wildlife including bear, foxes, deer, rat, snake, mice, wolves, and raccoons, birds including the blade eagle, night angel, hawks, and snowy owl are also found here.
So temperate deciduous forest. ठीक है, these are found where in USA, Canada, Central Mexico, Europe, and West Asia. Trees found in temperate deciduous forest lose their tree. डिसीडियस का यही मतलब होता है कि लीव्स हमेशा शेड हो जाती हैं, फॉल हो जाती है. और एवरग्रीन का मतलब होता है कि हमेशा हंसता खेलता पौधा रहा आता है. ठीक है, एवरग्रीन का मतलब यही है. तो कहीं पे भी आप सुनोगे एवरग्रीन प्लांट्स का, तो मतलब वहां से लीव्स शेड नहीं होती, लीव्स नहीं गिरती है. लेकिन डिसीडियस से डिसीडियस वर्ड्स कहीं भी आएगा तो उसका मतलब होगा कि वहां से ट्रीज से जो लीव्स होता है वो शेड हो जाता है, फॉल ऑफ हो जाता है. ओके, इट कैन बी इन एनी कंडीशन आल्सो. So thus they protect themselves in cold weather and also conserve water as they do not get enough rainfall. They the leaves will shut down. So वो जो stem होता है, वो जो bark होता है tree का, वो protect करता है कि water उनके अंदर रहे. Because enough rainfall नहीं होती, थोड़ी बहुत cold के समय जो शीत पड़ती है, उसका जो पानी collect होता है, वही उस plants में बचा रह जाता है. Example of such trees are oak, maple, and beech and elm. Since these places are cold, human who have settled around these forests use these tree for firewood. ठीक है, अब वहां जहाँ ये एरिया रहता है टेम्परेट डेसिडियम का, ये बहुत कोल्ड एरिया रहता है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे लोग आराम से सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते, so they used to burn the fires and stay there, the people who live around there. Hence, only about 1/4 of the original deciduous forest now remain. Temperate deciduous forests are home for wide variety of wildlife, including bears, foxes, rats, deer, snakes, mice, wolves and raccoons. ठीक है, ये घर होते हैं इतने सारे लोगों का. Birds including the blood eagle, nightingale, hawks and snowy owl are also found here. मतलब many different types of wildlife animal you can see here. Yes, Shubhransh, start reading.
Mediterranean vegetation. Mediterranean vegetation is found in the world's Mediterranean.
Shubhransh, your voice is too slow. बहुत slow है आपकी voice बेटा.
Zones on the west and southwest corners of continents. These forests are in the world's 5 Mediterranean climate zones. On the west coast of the continent in the mid latitudes. For the Mediterranean basin, the Chilean Montreal, the California chaparral and woodlands ecoregion of California and Baja California Peninsula, the Cape Prominence, Western Cape of South Africa, the Southwest Australia corner area. The climate of this region comprises dry summers and rainy winters. Trees here have small dark leaves covered with a waxy outer layer which helps to prevent water loss in the dry summer months. People have removed most of the natural vegetation and used the land of cultivation fruits and vegetables for their needs. Citrus fruits like oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly found here. These regions are also known as orchards of the world due to their fruit cultivation. Mediterranean forest supports small animals which include the lynx, wild boar, rabbits, vultures, and various types of eagles. Many small mammals, reptiles, and insects also inhabit this region.
Okay. Shubhransh, done. Yes, so Mediterranean vegetation. It is found in the world's Mediterranean climate zones on the west and southwest corner of the continent. Southwest west side में ये रहता है. Forest in the world's 5 Mediterranean climate zones on the west coast of the continents in the mid latitude. So ये 5 I think so हैं. ये सारे कोस्ट है मेडिटेरियन के कहाँ फाउंड होते हैं. ओके, जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस आफ्टर द क्लास इज ओवर. जस्ट रीड द चैप्टर एंड गो थ्रू दिस. The climate of this region comprises dry summers. अब dry summers रहते हैं मींस बारिश नहीं होती है, बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी पड़ती, बहुत रूखा सूखा रहता है यहाँ पे. एंड रेनी विंटर्स. अब यहाँ पे समर के टाइम बारिश नहीं होती पर विंटर्स के टाइम बहुत बारिश होती है. दे हैव रेनी विंटर्स. विंटर्स के समय अच्छी खासी यहाँ पे बारिश होती है. Trees here have small dark leaves covered with a waxy outer layer which helps to prevent water loss in the dry summer month. अब ये ट्रीज की जो लीव्स होती है वो बहुत वैक्सी होती है, मीन चिपचिपी होती है. तो क्या होता है, समर जब ड्राई रहता है तो इसमें पानी इनके प्लांट्स में रहे आए ये कंट्रोल करता है. दैट्स व्हाई देयर लीव्स आर this type made up of. People have removed most of the natural vegetation and used the land for cultivating fruits and vegetables for their need. अब बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्या किया, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन मींस जो ट्रीज या प्लांट्स काम के नहीं है उनको हटा के वहां पे उन लोग सब्जियां और फ्रूट कल्टीवेट करने लगे, क्योंकि वहां लोगों को रहना है एंड खाने की चीज नहीं रहेगी तो हाउ दे विल सर्वाइव. So they started that land for cultivating fruit, vegetable for their need. Citrus fruits like orange, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly found here. There, citrus fruits are found, which is rich in vitamin C. That fruits are found there. Okay. These regions are also found as orchids of world due to their fruit cultivation. Mediterranean forest supports small animals. बहुत छोटे-छोटे animals जो support करते हैं, जैसे हो गया wild deer, rabbits, vultures, lynx, and various types of eagles. Many small mammals, reptiles, and insects are also inhabit this region. ये सब यहाँ पे found होते हैं. Okay, yes, Maheen, on your camera. Tanushka, start reading.
Pine and fir. These forests are found in regions that have long winters and moderate to high precipitation. Precipitation could be in the form of snowfall or rain. The largest coniferous forest exists in a ring in Alaska, Canada, Northern Europe, and Northern Asia in the Northern Hemisphere. This forest is called the taiga. Most of the world's commercial softwood timber used for paper comes from taiga.
Okay, Tanushka. So coniferous
Coniferous
forest. Okay,
trees have
Tanushka. Okay, done. So coniferous forest. Coniferous is a word that means coming from the cones. ठीक है, cones का shape आपने देखा होगा ना, आइसक्रीम cones का. So it comes from there. जब cones का shape होता है, वहां से ये word derive हुआ है. Coniferous forests are made up of mainly of cone bearing or coniferous trees such as spruce, hemlock, पाइन एंड फिर. आप लोग इमेज में देखो, उसका जो शेप है थोड़ा ऐसे बहुत पतला सा है. ये वाला प्लांट किसी किसी के घर पे भी मिलता है ना, ऐसा कुछ लीव्स का शेप जो पिक्चर में है वहां पे कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट के बगल में, वैसा कुछ प्लांट ना घर में भी देखने पड़ता है. एज अ शो प्लांट दे यूज्ड टू कीप देम इन देयर हाउस. These forests are found in the region that have long winter and moderate to high precipitation. अब यहाँ पे विंटर बहुत हाई होता है, वहां पे ये मिलता है ना, और हाई प्रेसिपिटेशन होता है. प्रेसिपिटेशन मतलब थोड़ा बहुत स्नोफॉल हो गया, रेनफॉल हो गया, ये सब हो गया है ना, जहाँ थोड़ा बहुत ये होता रहता है. Largest coniferous forest exists in ring in Alaska, Canada, Northern Europe and Northern Asia and Northern Hemisphere. The forest is called taiga. इस forest को जहाँ coniferous रहते हैं उसको taiga बुलाते हैं. Most of the world's commercial softwood timber used for paper comes from taiga. ठीक है, timber जो जिससे पेपर बनता है वो taiga से ही मिलता है. Coniferous trees have characteristic seeds which are produced in cones like pine trees. Trees are tall and narrow, and the trees are very tall and narrow shaped. Hence, during snowfall, the snow easily slides off the branches without breaking them. अब snow का falling बहुत easily इस tree से हो जाता है, इसलिए trees को broke नहीं करना पड़ता है. Trees grow close together to protect themselves from wind. When the trees often have shallow roots because of the poor soil and rocky conditions. Trees in coniferous forest primarily possess pine needles. अब उसकी जो ट्रीज की लीव्स होती है वो बहुत ना ऐसे मतलब पिन की टाइप होती है, उसका जो नुकीलापन होता है, जो लास्ट एंडिंग होती है वो बहुत नीडल शेप में होती है. तो वी कैन आल्सो गेट हर्ट इफ वी टच इट अनऑथराइज्डली. Trees in coniferous forests primarily possess pine needles instead of broadleaf. This helps to conserve water. It is a process in which water can be conserved. Larches are example of coniferous trees found in some of the coldest regions. Common example of the animals found here are fox, mink, polar bear, etc. Okay. Yes. Start reading, Anjali.
Yes, ma'am. Grassland. Grassland are characterized as land dominated by grass rather than large shrubs or trees. They are found in area where there is no regular rainfall to support the growth of a forest, but not little enough to form a desert. Grassland exists in almost every continent except Antarctic. In fact, they are found in the interior dry portion by the condition. Grassland are known by different names in different parts of the world. For example, in South America, they are called pampas, while in Africa, they are known as savannas. These are two types of grassland: tropical grassland, temperate grassland. Tropical
Okay,
grass.
Anjali, done. Okay, so grasslands are characterized as lands dominated by grasses rather than large shrubs or trees. A grassland मतलब नाम से ही क्लियर है वो लैंड जहाँ बहुत सारी grasses हो. shrubs या फिर कोई छोटा ट्री है या कोई प्लांट है, नहीं, जो लैंड पूरा ग्रास से भरा हो उसको ही ग्रास लैंड बोला जाता है। दे आर फाउंड इन एरियाज वेयर देयर इज नो रेगुलर रेनफॉल टू सपोर्ट द ग्रोथ ऑफ फॉरेस्ट। अब जहाँ रेगुलर रेनफॉल नहीं है वही ये फाउंड होते हैं, ताकि सपोर्ट ना रहे फॉरेस्ट का वहां पे, बस ग्रास ही ग्रास रहे, but not little enough to form a desert. Grassland exists in almost every continent except Antarctica. बस अंटार्कटिका में ग्रासलैंड नहीं है, बाकी सभी जगह ग्रासलैंड है। In fact, they are found in interior dry portions of the continent. जहाँ ड्राई रीजन होता है वहां भी आपको ग्रासेस देखने को मिलेंगी। Grasslands are known by different name in different parts of the world. South America में वो pampas के नाम से जाना जाता है, अफ्रीका में savannas के नाम से। There are two types of grassland. It is tropical and temperate grassland. Okay, so time is getting over. So we'll continue tropical grassland and temperate grassland tomorrow. Up till then, you have to read the chapter up to where I have taught today and just go through every part. ठीक है, every part जाना, बस इतना याद रखना, एवरग्रीन और डिसीडियस में यही डिफरेंस होता है। क्या डिफरेंस होता है बताओ आप लोग मुझे। एवरग्रीन और डिसीडियस,
मैम एवरग्रीन के पत्ते कभी झड़ते नहीं है और
डिसीडियस
के पत्ते झड़
कर जाते हैं सॉइल में।
वेरी गुड, यस वेरी गुड। एवरग्रीन में पत्ते नहीं झड़ते हैं और डिसीडियस में पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं। Two types of grassland, tropical and temperate grassland. Okay, so just go through this and just learn it, है ना, ये सब भी learn करना। And term 1 syllabus, I think it is clear to everyone. Again, I will post it in the group. Chapter 1 to 4 in history, 1 to 5 in geography, and 1 to 4 in civics. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Good day, ma'am. Have a nice
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.